So this video is going to continue the last couple of examples in our little checking account basics book. So after this example, you should have answered 3 quiz, quote unquote, questions on the Nearpod activity. And so hopefully you check those answers. So I'm going to continue with the next example here, which talks about reconciling a bank account. And so kind of write about this a little bit so you have some room. And so what we want to do when we reconcile an account is we're looking to match our records to the bank's records. Okay. So we have the register, which is our records, and then you have the bank statement, which is what the bank sends you. Now, a lot of times, like I've mentioned, is you're going to probably do this online, which is totally fine. However, you should still know the basics here of how to check when you think you have $230 when actually you maybe only have $30. And so where does that money go when you're trying to spend money you don't have? Again, your debit card only works if you have money in your checking account. So how to reconcile your account. So a couple of things. Tried to give you some tips over here to help you out a little bit. So again, a register are your records. So this right here, this is all you're keeping track of it. And again, even if you're checking your bank online, you are seeing a lot of things where it's saying what is being paid and what is being added to your account. So every month, your bank will send you a statement. You can also sign up to have these sent to you online. And a bank statement, again, lists out all of the deposits and debits from your account. So it always has the starting balance at the beginning of the month, has the ending balance. You'll notice up here in the corner, it talks about the starting date. So this is for the month of November for Michael. And we're going to see if his matches, because according to the bank, he should have $628.23. If we look here at what Michael has done, he says he has $641.13. While that doesn't seem like a lot of money, but if you think about it, if you keep having your account be off a few dollars here and there all the time, eventually that's going to add up. And unfortunately, it may be that you owe the bank money because you've been spending money you actually don't have. So this is why reconciling your account is really important, so you know exactly how much money you have in your account at any time. All right. So kind of walk you through some of the things you want to look for. So the starting balance. So the bank said he had $791.95. The bank says he has $628.23. Okay. And then we want any outstanding deposits. So we're going to look here. Our deposits is being added to our account. So you'll notice that they've already added in the $35. That was on the 5th, and the $100, which was on the 11th. So if I come down here, see, on 11/5, he had a $35 deposit. So I'm going to check that off. And then he has the $100 one on the 11th. So that one's here. So that means that this one for $125 hasn't been added in yet. So $125. Okay. Now we're going to look at the withdrawals. So how much money has come out of his account. So we're just using these little check marks to mark things off that the bank has already taken out or credit to his account. So we're just going to go down the list here. So check 1770 We'll go down the list here, 1770 for 158.08. Then we've got check 1768 for 46.50. That's been taken out. 1769, so 74.64. And then 1765 for 1950. Okay. So as you kind of look through these transactions, which ones haven't? This one to the Country Club hasn't been taken out yet. These all have check marks. This $18 one hasn't been taken out of his account yet. And this one for dinner hasn't been taken out. And neither has this one. Okay. So we have 4 things that have not been taken out of his account yet. So 50 plus 18 plus 29.10 plus 15. Okay. So I'm going to add those outstanding ones still together, and that gives me a total of $112.10. Okay. So what we're going to do is figure out, we're going to take his ending balance. So you're going to take the ending balance. You're going to add any outstanding deposits. And then we're going to subtract these withdrawals. Okay. All right. So begin. So the ending balance was 600. So 628.23. We're going to add the $125, and then we're going to subtract the $112.10. And that gives us a total of $641.13. And what we're interested in, does this amount match this one? So, do they match? Yes. So our count is what we consider to be reconciled. They match. That's the key. We want those two to match. All right. So we'll go through this next example. Go a little quicker on that next one here. All right. So we have Tina. Same thing. Here's her listing of her record. This is what the bank says. So first question, what's the ending balance? So Tina has $1,434.13. Outstanding deposit. So is there anything that has not been credited? So they credited her $600 deposit. So we'll check that one off. And a deposit here for $250. So as we scroll through hers, right here, that last one, her deposit for $700. Okay, so that one hasn't gone through yet. So $700. Okay, now we're going to take out the deposits. So check 395 has gone through. 396 has gone through. 393. And 394 for 133, and 398 has gone through. So again, just look for any of these ones that don't have checks. So $50 and $39 are the only two. Plus 39, so that's 89. And the balance in the register was $2,045.19. So again, remember it's the starting ending balance, so $1,434.19. We add the deposits. So again, remember this is the outstanding deposits. So that gives us $2,134.19. We're going to subtract the 89. So that's the outstanding withdrawals. And so when we subtract those, we get $2,045.19. So again, do these match? Yes. So this and this down here, those match. So does the account reconcile? Yes. Okay. All right. The last one I'm going to work out is just this top box. So again, it's a simplified version of what we've just done in the last two. So we have the ending. So we're going to add the deposits. We're going to subtract this dollar amount. So just go down the column and we get $181. So $181.95. So right here, these don't match. So the account, so not reconciled. So that would tell us maybe he forgot to write something down in his account, maybe an ATM or something. So you always want to be careful about making sure you keep track of everything that you use your account for, whether it be an ATM withdrawal, pay a bill online, or transfer money. Anything that can be done in your account you want to keep track of so that your account can always be reconciled. All right? Okay, and so the last example, just to refresh what we did here with the register, I'm going to let you go ahead and answer this on the Nearpod quiz. So, okay. And actually, if you have listened this far and you are watching this, the answer to this, if you do it correctly, will earn you 5 bonus points on our quiz that we'll have next week over this, okay? And also, too, if you come and tell Mrs. Colby that you listened to this, she'll give you some candy. How does that sound, too? All right? I just want to reward you for doing what you were supposed to do today. So thank you very much, okay? Bye.